Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can remove indicators on your chart on TradingView mobile. So let's go and do that. Now you need to be on the chart page. Now you see here at the top left your currency or your cryptocurrency, and below sell and buy you will see this arrow pointing down. If you click on that, you will see what indicator you have. So for me, I have now Megatrend. Now if I click on that, it will highlight it, and now you see the trash can at the very end of this indicator. So if I click on that, I will delete this my indicator on the chart. So this is how you can remove indicators in TradingView Mobile. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next.